Well, the sign is iconic. And this company was founded here in Schenectady, New York in 1892. That really led the world in innovation. This sign matters to the community. We were going to restore, make that sign as brilliant as it's always been, but with latest technology and make sure that it's safe for generations to come. The technology 100 years ago was an incandescent light bulb. Today, the technology has changed dramatically. One of the things that we've done with this opportunity to restore the sign is ensure that it's state-of-the-art. It's in honor of the 100-year anniversary of that sign's existence that we're taking steps to preserve it and to ensure for generations to come it stands proud and represents all the great legacies, as well as what the company will innovate in the future. The future of Vernova is bright. I mean, energy is cool. That sign is just cool, and I think Vernova is extremely cool. GE Vernova is now a purpose-built company to transform the energy system, to lead the energy transition. And that happens right here, underneath that sign on this campus. And this sign, I think, is a way to make us proud of yesterday and also excited and ambitious for the future of what Vernova can create for the world.